Hey guys, EasyLine. Today we are playing Minecraft.
Lightning fast, fast, lightning fun. Everybody come and run. Lightning fast, fast, lightning fun. This game has just begun.
So now I am going to. I think I forgot to even grab it. Oh, it's right there. 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 We don't need more than one. I don't know why I started grabbing 1,000,000. Now, put that in. And then we put the 9. And then then you put there. And then and if you didn't know what I'm about to do, subscribe. If you don't know what I'm about to do, subscribe. You may be wondering why I'm doing this, but if you don't know why I'm doing this, subscribe. Now, black shield with creeper face. Now I have creeper face shield. Look how tiny it is. Look how tiny the face is. What on screen, or why is it so tiny? Was that a raptor? Or was it? I think it was a chicken. Yeah, that thing's dead. If this game became real life, I think this would be a bit. And if this game had the heads up. And it would be a bit inappropriate. This is where I released my gauntlet of greenness. Yeah, the golem still has its night vision. Villager with the night vision. I think night vision makes villagers dumber. I think it probably makes him dumber because he didn't even open the door. So oh, there's 3 chickens there. I think we should report that to Mojang. Ikalaman 0 Shikabot. Another Enderboing. Yo! You're not doing what I was gonna do. It was like he was holding him. He's holding a flower. That looks. Thank you. You made him uncomfortable. The Enderman with the flower. Is that a scary myth or what? Should I take care of it? Is this an April Fool's thing? Or is that a bug? Is that an April Fool's something? Like what is it? Cause I don't know. Let me grab a fish. Did he run away? I think he ran away. There he is. That cat's like, stop following me. The only way you're following me is taking me fish. Any cat? Any cat? Oh, no cat. Let me give you fish. Sorry, kitty. Sorry. Why does cat like water? I also thought that worked. To be honest with you. Like, what? Oh, there's netherite horse armor. And there's only leather. Happy gas harnesses. Like, is there a problem with happy gases? Mojang, do you like happy gases? Or do you just feel like they need to be blown up? Because players may look at them and say, oh no, gas, and then it take it out. Does he have a cure for gas? Next episode, we are going to build 2-story house. Also, who knows when this video is coming out? Also, whenever my editor is done editing, you would probably have tons of videos. But I think I need to get to work. Also, did you play in the snow during the winter storm or after? Because I played in the winter storm and after the winter storm. Also, by the time the video comes out, the ice would probably be gone. And also, bye. Easy Lightning out.
Hey guys, it's Easy Lightning here. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Game face on, game face on. And they hear you say, game face on, game face on. Ready to slay.
Bye, guys.